Express the complex number 1 plus I by 1 minus I in exponential form. So this is the key point, exponential form. Solution: if we want to find exponential form, first of all, right, we need to find real and imaginary parts. That is, real part is let x and imaginary part is y. See, we know that z is equal to x plus iy. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So we need to compress this like this, x plus iy. So for that, then what is exponential form? Exponential form is z is equal to, exponential form of z is r into e to the power of I theta. So what is r? R is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So we need to find r and theta. First of all, if you want to find r and theta, we need to find x and y, which means that real part and imaginary part. So for that, consider the given complex number, that is 1 plus I by 1 minus I. See, what is the denominator? One is 1 minus I. Multiply and dividing with 1 plus I. See here, the rationalization factor of the denominator is 1 plus I, because here we have 1 minus I. So we need to multiply 1 plus I. In case suppose in the denominator if we have 1 plus I, so we need to multiply 1 minus I. So quite opposite, we must take quite opposite symbol here. So we are multiplying and dividing with 1 plus I, this one. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I into multiplying 1 plus I by dividing 1 plus I. See, 1 plus I cancel, remaining is as it is. That is equal to, see, multiply the numerators and as well as denominator, because between these two we have only multiplication symbol. So multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. See, this is 1 plus I into 1 plus I. We know that a plus b into a plus b is equal to a plus b whole square. Here a is equal to, if we compare 1 plus I, here a plus b into 1 minus I, here a plus b, again a 1 plus I, a plus b into a plus b is equal to a square, so a plus b whole square. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to also I. Next, denominator is a minus b into a plus b form. So we know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here also a is equal to 1 and b is equal to I. Substitute in the formulas. That is equal to, numerator is a plus b whole square formula. A is equal to 1 plus b is equal to I whole square by, this is a 1 minus I into 1 plus I. This is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, but a is equal to 1. So 1 square minus b square, but b is equal to I. So I square, which is equal to, this is a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same, a is equal to 1, b is equal to I. At the same time, we know that I square is equal to negative 1. I square is equal to negative 1. In the denominator we have I square, so substitute negative 1. Before that, this is a plus b whole square formula. So a square, a is equal to 1. So 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into a value is 1. 1 into b value is I, plus b square, b is equal to I. So I square by 1 square is 1 minus I square is equal to -1, so -1, which is equal to 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 2 into I 2I plus I square, again I square is equal to -1, so -1 by 1 minus into minus, this is plus 1, which is equal to, see, this is 1 plus 2I plus into minus minus 1 plus 1 cancel, remain by 1 plus 1 is 2, that is equal to 2I by 2. 2 gets cancelled, this is only I. See, we can write this is like this, 0 plus I. So here z is equal to x plus iy, this is the complex form. So here real part is 0, compare these two, x here is 0 plus iy here is I into 1, so real part x is equal to real part is equal to here only 0, so 0, and y is equal to means I coefficient here is 1, so this is imaginary part is equal to imaginary part is 1. Substitute, we successfully found x and y values, so substitute in r and theta, so r is equal to under root x square plus y square. See, r is the modulus. Now substitute r is equal, that implies r is equal to under root x square. What is x value? 0, so 0 square plus y square, y value is 1 square, that is equal to under root 0 square is 0 plus 1 square is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, under root 1 is 1, therefore r is equal to 1. Now find theta value, that is theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. That implies theta is equal to tan inverse of y value is 1 by x value is, sorry, theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x, which is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse is as it is y value is, that is 1, so 1 by x value is 0, so this is 0. 1 by 0 means tan inverse of infinity, that is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse of infinity means tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 is infinity, since tan 90 degrees is equal to infinity, so here tan inverse, tan gets cancelled, and theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees we may write pi by 2. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. Instead of 90, just write pi by 2. Now write exponential form. Exponential form of the given question is 1 plus I by 1 minus I. 1 plus I by 1 minus I is r into e to the power of I theta. R into e to the power of I theta. We know that r is equal to 1 and theta is equal to pi by 2. Substitute these two values here. That is equal to r into e to the power of I theta, which is equal to 1 into e to the power of I into theta value is pi by 2, which is equal to 1 into e is e, I into pi by 2. See, that is equal to cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. We know that e to the power of I x is equal to cos x minus I into sin x. This is the formula. So here we have e power I I into pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus I into sin pi by 2. So here is x. Instead of x, substitute the pi by 2. So x is equal to pi by 2. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I complex form is cos of pi by 2 minus I into sin pi by 2 is a complex form of the given question.